Hello everybody, Alan again from MDTV. I haven't got my banner behind me saying MDTV on this occasion. Right, we do stairlifts. We've done these for a lot of years now, but we just thought we'd best put it on a video to let people see, because people are ringing up and asking questions. If I actually do this little video, they can point. I can actually say to people, have a look at the film on our website, and it hopefully will answer a lot of the questions that we have. Right, standard stair lift goes on a straight staircase, not unsimilar to the round the corner stairlift in the way that it operates. So if we do this one, it covers both. Other than that, if you do have one that goes around the corner, obviously it would go up and round whichever corner you go on your stairs. Right. First thing people ask is, do they fold up and how much room do they take? The answer to that is around about 10-12 inches when it's folded up, like so. So as you can see from that, that's only fairly narrow, standard size staircase. That's why we built it like this, and there is room to get up the stairs, for everybody. The other question that people ask is, say, well, if it's at the bottom, is it getting charged? Does it have to be at the top to get charged? The answer is, it doesn't really matter. If you're upstairs, there is a charge point at the top, so when you're in bed on the night, it's getting charged up. But if you're in the morning, if you're actually downstairs, you decide that you're going to go to bed, it's been on charge point all day. So to answer the question, there's a charge point at the bottom, charge point at the top, and as long as it's plugged in, which it will be, because we'll do that for you, it'll just charge the battery up and off you go. The other questions that people ask is, well, what happens when it gets to the top? What they mean by this is that when it's folded down, like so, and you sit on it to go up to the top, I'll see if you can remove a little lad like me. You'll have to be patient because they don't rush. Apparently they all have to go, that there is a speed limit on these, but I don't think the police will be too bothered about that. Right. When you get to the top, it stops. I'm going to cheat and get off because I want to actually show you with me not on it. What happens here is that your foot platform, just fold it up, stops level with the top step. You're sat up here with your feet on the foot platform, but at that side or this side, depending on, because some people might be able to do one side and not the other, the seat then spins round like so. My partner in crime here is just zooming in. So you're sat up here, I'll just sit on it so Mark can see me, and your feet therefore land on the landing. So they're on terra firma. So when you want to stand up, you can push on the arms of the chairlift, which is fine. You can also pull up on any grab handle or anything that you've put in. If you were to stumble, you would have to be very, very dexterous to get back down here. You pretty much stand up. But see, what I've done is I've actually cheated, because this chair will lock at 45 degrees, but it'll also lock at 90 degrees. So you can stand up and walk away in safety. And that's on those flaps there, 45, and square again, and down it goes to the bottom, like so. You have to keep your hand on one of these triggers, or cheat, look, I can even go over onto that one and keep it going. But as soon as you stop and let go, it will stop, and it will bleep at you. You've got to put your finger back on here, and then, so you have to hold it all the way up and all the way down. The next thing that people ask about is that if there's an obstruction on the stairs, and I'm just going to get Meredith to help me. Meredith is one of our little ducks. So say that there was a cat on the stairs, a pair of slippers, a dog, whatever. What would happen in reality is that the stairlift would go up, put the hand down, and because it's actually got sensor thing, as you can see, it stopped. What happened there, I'll just bring it back down again, is built into all stairlifts that are on the marketplace, is you've got a flap there, and a big blaze plate there. So it doesn't matter what happens, it will stop. They say the other thing is, I mean, if somebody's sadly had a stroke or something like that, and they dangle one of the feet or the legs over the side of the stairlift, it's not going to trap it against the stairs, because you can imagine that would be not a good thing to happen. All stairlifts come with a seat belt on. and it's retractable, so there's no size issues, like so. And as I say, the other interesting thing is, not only do we do brand new stairlifts, we actually also do rentals as well. How the rental works is that the stairlift is fitted into your house. Included in that price is a removal fee if you need it removing, but for the first year you pay £500. That's everything, all in, even the service out at the end of the year. Then the next year after that it's £1 a day, so £365. So when you're actually looking on the, you know, various people say, oh, ours is only so and so, it's only so and so. You need to find out whether that includes removal. You need to, does it include installation? And you know, genuinely, how much is it? But we're just very straightforward, keep it dead simple. £500 for your first year, that covers installation. It also includes taking it out, and it also includes service work if it needs it during the year or on your main service at the end of the year. Then after that it's £1 a day. We also do, as I say, brand new ones as well. I hope that helps. Any other questions, please do ring. And if anybody else wants any different videos doing, which tells a bit more in depth or whatever, I will do that for you. Thank you for your time. We'll see you soon.